By keeping this free kick out, or could it be? Very clever indeed. Talisca, nobody's back up. Oh, he's done it brilliantly. And his strike rate matches Ronaldo's or Mane's. A brilliant free kick.
Well, it's brilliant because the goalkeeper, he's waiting for Cristiano Ronaldo to run up.
And Ronaldo will leave it in the end. It's Teles who does curl it, and he scored a brilliant goal. Well, Ronaldo, on this occasion, the decoy, and Alex Teles has come up with a moment of real quality in the Roshan Saudi League to open his account for Al Narsa.
Well, that was clearly the idea, wasn't it? To set up as if it might be.
Ronaldo it is. Take a bow, Ronaldo.
Wow, let's just soak the atmosphere up because that is absolutely magical from Ronaldo.